Hey guys, welcome back to 1,000 product reviews. Today we got an angle grinder that I bought from Harbor Freight for $10. And I gotta say, I'm pretty pleased with it. 120 volt, 4.5 inch angle grinder. Spins 11,000 RPMs. The wheel is not included, by the way. But they're like $7 at Harbor Freight, depending on what you need. Comes with a handle and all that good jazz. Pretty snazzy for $10 if I do say so myself. Pretty heavy too. This is a Drill Master, so it comes with, obviously a tool to put your wheel on. It comes with some brushes, and I'll just let you see the box there. Specifications. Yeah, Harbor Freight. Spin a lock for fast, easy wheel change. Comes with your manual, all that, and that's pretty much all it comes with as far as that goes. It's pretty powerful, in my opinion. Let's see. Safety instructions, you don't need those. That was a joke. For legal reasons, that was a joke. But it's got all the stuff in here. It tells you how to install the wheel guard and the handle and some other important need-to-know information. It's like troubleshooting if you're having an issue with it. And then it's got a assembly diagram in case you want to take it apart and put it back together for some odd reason. It's got a diagram of how to what pieces go where, And that's pretty much it. Let's see how it works. Alright, so we're going to try this bad boy out, and we're going to see how it does. Now, disclaimer, I highly suggest that you at least use some form of safety. At least wear some kind of safety glasses, at least, when you do this, because you don't want hot metal in your eye. Now, with that out of the way, let's try this out. Not too shabby in my opinion. Yeah, I definitely like it. It's supposed to be 1K product reviews in short term, but it probably looks more like 7K PR. Oh well. Oh well. You get what I was going for there, though. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. May not necessarily have the right wheel for this, but I mean, oh well. And it actually feels pretty good in your hand. This handle comes in handy. I know it's hard to see it, but it actually feels pretty good in your hands. But 11,000 RPMs, it sure works pretty good. I mean, yet again, I may not have the right wheel for, what I'm doing, but it's not like I'm doing anything important with it anyway. But, alrighty. Alright guys, here you have it. That is the review on the Strillmaster angle grinder. I love it. $10 from Harbor Freight. Now they kind of had it on clearance, so maybe because the store just opened and they were trying to get customers in there to buy stuff. But still, I got a great deal on an angle grinder for $10. You cannot beat this, and you can't tell me otherwise. And just for other reasons, it's got some more specifications and warnings on it right there. But all in all, I dig it. I would highly recommend this. And no, I am not an affiliate. I'm not selling this product. I'm not an affiliate of Harbor Freight in any way, shape, or form. I'm just telling you about this awesome angle grinder that I bought from Harbor Freight for $10, of course. So, with that being said, that's going to be a wrap for this video. I know it's been a while since I posted one, but if you like what you saw, like and subscribe for more content, please, guys. It would help me out a whole lot, and I really thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.